how to add the neon moving lights border effect on the video that you're editing with Inshot Video Editor app. And let's get started. While editing the video on Inshot Video Editor app, and I am ready to add this neon border lights moving effect, first I want to go to where it says PIP right here. And once I'm here, you want to go to where it says material. And within the material section, you want to be sure you're under the category that says atmosphere. So you'll most likely start from here and you want to go to atmosphere. Select that. Once you're there, you'll go down until you see this right here. As you select it, it's going to appear like this here. You'll also see the blend option to select from. You want to go with screen. So if it's not set as the screen option, make sure you set it to screen. And of course, keep this here as 100 so that it can show, or if you want it to be a bit light, it's up to you, but 100 lets it show 100%. Okay, so press the check mark when you're ready, and to have this fit around the frame exactly, you'll press on this here. Now there's something to keep in mind, that this will most likely work good for the portrait videos here. And if you feel like you want the borders to be a bit more closer to the video frame, you can take your two fingers like this here and just simply split apart like that to kind of expand it. And you'll see how it's expanding, but you want to set it to a point where it still shows on both the sides and the top. Now, of course, when you press the check mark here and you press play, you'll see that it's going to be playing like this here. So let's just say that I want this here to play across my entire video or to a set duration. So what I'm going to do is select this same one here that I recently added. Now you will not be able to pull the tabs past the set duration here. So in order to have a continuous play of this effect here, while this is selected to the top area here, you're looking for the option that says duplicate, not copy. Duplicate. Once you select duplicate, it will create another one right after the first one. So when I do this here, you'll see how it creates this here. And if I want another one, I'll do that. And what this does, it lets it show as a continuous play of that border lights from the first one that I've edited. So I'll press play now and you'll see that it's going to play continuously from the next one to the next one without showing any separation. So hey, like, sub, thanks for watching, and see ya.